Welcome to Innovent Cake and Cookies. Today I combine flour with milk and make this delicious and creamy flour pudding dessert. Rich, smooth and topped with glossy caramel sauce. A unique dessert made with simple ingredients but amazing taste. Let's start the recipe. In a pan, add half cup butter, half cup flour. Roast on low heat for about 5 minutes until lightly golden and aromatic. Flour-based desserts are popular in many traditional cuisine. Roasting flour enhances aroma and taste. Now add 2 cups milk. And mix well until smooth. 1/3 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Keep stirring continuously. Cook until the mixture becomes thick and creamy. Pour into a mold and set aside. Now prepare the caramel topping. In a pan, add 1/4 cup sugar, 1 tablespoon water. Cook until the sugar caramelizes. Caramel adds a rich color and deep flavor. Now in a bowl, mix 1/4 cup water with 1 tablespoon corn flour to make a slurry. Add the slurry into the caramel. Use a smooth slurry for glossy sauce. Simple ingredients can create unique dessert. Cook for 2 minutes until slightly thick. Stir continuously to prevent lumps. Do not overcook caramel as it can turn bitter. Pour the caramel sauce over the flour pudding. Homemade desserts are fresher and safer. Milk provides calcium and nutrition. Let it cool and set before serving. You can control sugar levels. Butter adds richness but should be used in balance. Your smooth and rich flour pudding is ready. Serve and enjoy this unique dessert. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Innovent Cake and Cookies for more easy recipes.